nothing to prove is the most powerful of all.
Man who has nothing to prove possesses acquired and formidable strength.
In a world often consumed by the need for validation and external approval, he focuses on what matters to him.
This man's power comes from a deep understanding of himself.
He doesn't engage in unnecessary battles or competitions to validate his worth. Rather, he focuses on his own journey and growth.
This lack of a constant need for external validation liberates him from the constraints of societal expectations, allowing him to chart his course authentically.